Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. You may have a Whirlpool or a Maytag dryer, a new one, that you think it's too hard to start. So the start button, you press it, it's not starting the dryer. Well, let me show you an easy trick. I'm standing in front of a model MGD 5030. This is a Maytag dryer. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on so you'll see the sense button illuminates. So here's your power button. And then it says hold to start. So you have to physically hold down the button to allow all of the lights to illuminate, and then this will start. If you just press it, it will not start. So you have to hold it down. So I'm going to hold this down till all the lights illuminate, and it's going to go ahead and start. Now, if I were to hit the pause button, okay, you'll see the sense is flashing on pause. I'm going to have to hold this down again until all the lights illuminate, and it'll start right up every time. So if you have any questions or any comments, we'd love to hear your feedback below, or go to donsappliances.com.